The members of the paramedic division aren't just EMS providers, they're members of the community too. When we respond to these sorts of scenes, it's not just as a trained professional. These are our neighbors, our friends, our family members. We have about 20% of the population and therefore run about 20% of the call volume. What that really means is over 100,000 911 calls a year, over 300 calls a day that we respond to.
We see patients from all walks of life, from people that live in multi-million-dollar homes to people that don't have homes. And being able to work in a community that's so varied is really nice. Not only does it change what the day-to-day job is, but you really get to meet people where they are. You get to help people access resources or inform them about resources so that they can take care of themselves better too.
Knowledge is the endless journey, and when I meet with so many of our people, especially our new classes as they're finishing up their training, one of the things I tell them is that when you get your patch, that's the minimum standard that we expect of a paramedic. And now for you, it's to take the next steps, continually learn and challenge one another, and to look at those opportunities of how we can always do better. And that's so ingrained in the culture here. I've always been the kind of person that I feel like if you want a place to grow, if you want it to succeed, you're going to be involved in it.
There are so many things that we offer outside to the city, but I think it's important to focus on what we offer our own people that are running those calls. So peer support programs, the Restore program, taking care of those who take care of others. We're always there to support the Denver Police Department, the Denver Fire Department, Denver Sheriff's Department in whatever they need. So outside of the 911 medical response, community interaction and community service.
That could include everything from a big event within the city, like a parade, to a baseball game at Coors Field. And we're there also to support our safety partners as they're responding to emergent crises.
In addition to that, we also have a wildland fire team, and we offer medical support. So our paramedics on that team are line qualified medics that go out and they offer medical support to the firefighters on the line that are actively fighting. An aspect of our service that people don't realize that is actually a very busy part of the service is the Denver International Airport.
These paramedics get to operate from first aid rooms that are located on the concourses. We have SUVs that we could drive out on the tarmac to get to calls, and the paramedics that we have are just amazing. An area that often is maybe overlooked is our fleet department. That, we have our vehicle support technicians that stock our equipment and make sure that the ambulances are ready to go. But without our fleet department and keeping our ambulances, we put hundreds of thousands of miles on them every single year. They are the reason that we have the ambulances that we do out in the field so that we can do our work.
And EMS isn't just sending an ambulance to a call. It's everything that encompasses that. So it's the dedication to professional, excellent medical care.
The future is so bright with the team that we have in place, and their outlook, their vision, I think has the opportunity to do some really great things in the future for the city.